The section to the left of the mapped view is called the topic view. It displays the feature topics that are present in your job. In addition, there is a non-spatial data topic that contains map elements that are not tied to geographic locations. For example, I can click the palette icon, select the text tool, drag it to create a text box, and then add the text label, City Block. This text label will automatically be assigned to the non-spatial data topic. If you click on the check mark by the non-spatial data topic, you will see that this label has disappeared. Click on the checkbox again to display the label. Let's close the tool palette. You can click on the checkbox for any other topic to hide or display all the features in that topic. Right-click in the topic view, and you can opt to turn all topics on or off. This function is really handy when you need to pick a point feature from a host of other point features belonging to different topics. You could simply turn off all topics, then turn on just the topic that you want to work with. I noticed that in my CMT map, all the vehicle features are covered by the parking lot topic and the block topic. So, I will drag the vehicle topic to be above the parking lot topic. Now I can see the features in the vehicle topic. Generally, you want to place the point feature topics above the line and area feature topics, so you may easily select them by using the mouse pointer. If you have two areas features in the same topic, one on top of the other, then you may right-click on the one on top, and then select Move to Back to expose the feature beneath it. A quick way to select all the features within a topic is to double-click on a topic name in the topic view. When I double-click the tree topic, all the tree features in the map are highlighted. I can zoom into these trees by clicking the Zoom to Topic button. Notice the symbol on the left side of each topic name. You can double-click on this symbol and select another symbol for the topic. You could assign a different color to the symbol. Now the tree features actually look like trees. As an exercise, assign a car symbol for the vehicle topic. You already know that, if you don't see a symbol that you need in the CMT default symbols page, you can get the appropriate symbol from a library of fonts, and save it to a custom symbols page. There. After assigning a default symbol for a topic, you may still edit the symbol for each individual feature within that topic. Let's also assign a transparent pattern for the city block. There is another advantage to grouping the same type of features under one topic. With the topic selected, you can use Topic Auto Label to label all the features at once. I'm going to label my trees with their feature ID, as well as their attributes. Neat. The topic menu also provides functions for you to add a new topic, or to cut and paste a topic. We will discuss the classify function later. Now, suppose I made a mistake while collecting data by logging a tree as a car. I could correct it this way. First, I would click the Cut Nodes icon, and drag the scissors across the car feature to cut it. Then I would select the tree topic, and use Edit Paste to Topic to move that feature into the tree topic. I would redo the symbol assignment for the tree topic, so this newly added feature would also be displayed with a tree symbol. I would also double-click on this feature, and change its feature ID to Tree 007. If you need more screen space for showing your map, you could use the Toggle Topic View icon, or the View Topic function to toggle the topic view off. I'm going to leave the topic view on. The section below the mapped view is called the sheet view. It displays any attributes that were recorded with the features in a spreadsheet format. Each feature topic has its own sheet view structure. Let's select the tree topic in the CMT map. If you wish to change the value in an attribute cell, simply click in that cell, then enter the new value. You can resize the sheet view by dragging its upper boundary up or down. You can toggle the sheet view on or off by using the toggle sheet view icon or the view sheet function. Click on Sheet in the main menu bar to see the functions that apply to the sheet view. These functions are also listed when you right-click in the sheet view area. You may save the data to a text file in the comma-separated values, or CSV, format. You may also print out the spreadsheet, if you wish. Select Auto Size, and the extra spaces will be removed to condense the spreadsheet. If you wish to change the structure for the currently active topic, then select the Setup function for the sheet view. For example, in the topic structure page, you can add or delete attributes. We could add another attribute named Age, then enter the appropriate values into the newly created column. Or, we could add one of the predefined attributes. Click on the pull-down arrow to display the predefined attributes. The elevation may be of interest. Let's add it to this topic. The program automatically fills the cells in this column with the elevation values. Suppose you have entered into the sheet view the ages of the trees at breast height, but you also wish to show the total tree age as an attribute of the trees. You can do so by using the Formula button that is provided on the topic structure page. First, add a new attribute and name it Total Age. Then click on the Formula button and enter age plus 4. We are assuming that, on the average, it took 4 years for these trees to grow to breast height. Now, the total age of the trees are displayed in the Total Age column. To change the order of the attributes, go to the Sheet Setup page, click the Order button, then click in the Order column, starting with the first attribute to be displayed. After changing the order numbers, click the Arrange button to sort the attributes in increasing order number. When you click the Apply or OK button, the changes you made will be reflected in the sheet view. Notice that when I click on a tree feature, the corresponding attribute value record is highlighted in sheet view. Similarly, when I select the record in sheet view, the corresponding feature will be highlighted in mapped view. Let's save the CMT map file, then close it. The View Configure menu lets you select various default settings for displaying the maps. You can specify the default coordinate system to use when creating a new map, the number of decimal places to display, the default placement of text labels, and the default symbol and patterns to use for displaying a feature file. You may also specify whether or not to display the direction for a line or area pattern. I would have this option checked. If you wish to define the default symbols for the point, line, and area features, click the Default Symbol Pattern tab. Select the desired default point symbol, the desired default area pattern, or the desired default line style, after clicking the corresponding button. If you wish to use a set of predefined symbols for opening the PMP files or importing shapefiles, then mark the checkbox for Use the predefined symbol pattern. In the editor window, enter the topic layer names and the corresponding symbols. As an example, I assign this blue structure to the houses topic. Now, when I import the houses shapefiles, the points representing the houses will be displayed as blue structures. This capability is particularly useful if you work with the same set of featured topics on a regular basis. Please note that this function doesn't apply to the FMP map files. An FMP map file will always retain its symbol assignment,